part. You're sending notices, they are ignoring the notices. By now, someone should have been suspended in that panchayat. They have no respect for you, no respect for your office. You're actually supposed to be in charge of them. Yeah, so you sent this letter, then our secretary sending that permission to the chief secretary. Sewage being left in the gutter, and that is a great concern. It's not Stanley Martin's construction over there. His name is.
We came today to the video because actually I'm August महिन्यान एक extraordinary Gram Sabha with the people signatures. The people called for an extraordinary Gram Sabha to do a carrying capacity study in our village. But now and 7 months झाले and they've not even started the process. They are sending letters only. They sent in November somewhere they sent a letter and they're not following the proper procedure, nothing, they're not doing this study. And over that they're putting the blame on the BDO. They're saying also now that construction licenses are being passed by the BDO. Because part of the resolution for the extraordinary Gram Sabha was that new construction licenses for multi-dwelling buildings would not be given. Now they started giving those also again and they're saying BDO is giving. So we came here to question the BDO why they're giving these licenses even though this resolution is there. And we asked the panchayat to take a resolution even in their body that they are going to do this. So we came to the BDO and now when we find out from the BDO, it's that the BDO is not passing any licenses. What has happened is there's an amendment now to the Panchayat Raj Act where within 15 days if the construction license is not given, it is deemed. The builder can just start without any permission, anything. But our panchayat is lying and it's there on record for the Gram Sabha. For the Gram Sabha, Sarpanch lied and she's saying that BDO is sending passing the construction licenses. And we found out from the BDO now. Then they're not letting us talk also properly, not bringing up all these issues. I don't understand also why they're delaying this. We also found out now from the BDO that the Benauli Panchayat is starting their process properly to do the carrying capacity study. And they've taken their resolution after the Varka Panchayat. And I have a big question because most of our Panch members, now this has to go out. They'll say political and all they go on saying, but this is the truth now. Most of our Panch members are supporting Congress. One is there who's up and one member of our Congress, of our Panchayat is a Congress president or vice president something. Question to these parties, is this what your Panchayats are supposed to be doing? Both the parties are involved in this Panchayat now. Your panchayats are harassing us people over here, not following procedure, not listening to the people. Is this part of your party ideology? Let this question go out to them. I don't care. We are honestly fed up. The people are fed up. People of Varka are fed up of this.
So the panchayat has sent the resolution to the BDO.
Panchayat sent of the extraordinary carrying capacity Kadpa. We showed the resolution also to the BDO.
BDO is saying that resolution has been taken by the
resolution
panchayat,
has
but
been
not
taken,
sent
yes.
to the.
So they told that they want to do the carrying capacity study. There's a letter also from the BDO back to the panchayat saying that approach the concerned departments. They sent one letter to the chief secretary. Now she's also not sure why they sent it to the chief secretary. She said they have to open bids, put up a notice, open bids for the carrying capacity. This is hers. And when we brought that up for the Gram Sabha, because we've been following up on this for so long now, we went even to the deputy director. He also said the same thing. Tell them to open bids, then they'll approve those bids. They're not stopping. They're ready to give the approval. These people are telling another.
There are some agencies.
Yes, there are agencies. Actually, for the extraordinary Gram Sabha, so one agency came, one person from who does this came and told us the whole procedure, told us the budget, everything. So she's told the whole procedure and everything. When we brought it up for the Gram Sabha, they're saying, no, the BDO says one thing to you and then does another thing and all. We told that also to the BDO. Let them know that the Panchayat has no respect for the higher authority, that is the BDO.
Necessities which are all the common necessities which are there of the people are being suffering right now because of all these construction mega projects which are coming up. As Shoel said with regards to the carrying capacity which our panchayat was supposed to do long back. In August it had been proposed and they had said that within 3 months it would have been done, right? Yes. Now it has been 7 months, till now it's not done. When we ask them, it's always like the BDO. So it's a blame game which is going on, played, and we really are fed up. So we really want solution where the people will benefit. And you know, instead of suffering from this lack of shortage of water, electricity and sewage problem which is happening, if the panchayat says they are for the people, they have to be with the people. Just saying doesn't work. You have to show your support by standing strong with the people. That's what I see. Thank you.
वार्का पंचायतीन ग्रामसभा तेमी एक डिसिजन घेतला कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करपा खातीर. सो द फायल जी आसा कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडीची पंचायतीन आजून आमकां धाडूना फॉर अप्रुवल. सो तेच कंप्लेन घेवन ते आयिल्ले. सो इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स हॅव बीन गिवन वील बी गिवन टू द पंचायत्स कि if they have resolved or decided to send any file for the study of carrying capacity, they may send it to for further approval.
Issue regarding multi-dwelling project ताका लागून
हय, मल्टी ड्वेलिंग प्रोजेक्ट आनी वॉटर स्कार्सिटीची इशू आसा. गांवचे लोक म्हणटात की उदकाची प्रॉब्लम जाता जेन्ना न्यू कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स येता. सो तेज्याच खातीर दे वॉन्ट टू डू अ कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी. सो पंचायतीन फायल धाडटकीर वी वील पुट फॉर अप्रुवल ऑफ द डायरेक्टर.
तुमकां अजून आयलें ना पंचायती कडल्यान?
ना ना आमकां
आतां तुमी डायरेक्शन दितले बेगीतले बेगीन धाडचो.
मॅडम अशी आनी खंयची पंचायतीन बी केली
ही स्टडीक हें केल्ली आसा, प्रपोजल धाडलो आसा.
कोण करतली ही स्टडी?
एजन्सीज आसता. बेस्ड ऑन कोटेशन्स दे हॅव टू सिलेक्ट द स्लोएस्ट बिडर.